Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on Redux. Remove an item from an array. So in this case, we have a Redux store here, and now we have an action creator where we take the index and we remove that item with that index value. So we have a reducer with the initial state of this an array, and we want to remove whatever index we're given here. So we can do here is that we return, we have to basically slice it up, this array up from the first half and then the second half and put that together. Because when we slice, it also returns a shallow array. So we do ... state, and now we're going to have to slice it. And this is the first index where we're slicing. So we're starting at 0. And next, we end it at the index we want. So action dot index. So that's going to get the first half of it. So let's say we want to remove 2. So we do this part 0 to 2. And it doesn't include the 2, so it gets these first 2. Now it removed that. But now we have to get the later half of it. So we have to spread it again, comma, and then spread it, state dot slice. And now we want to do action index +1 to get the next value. And that's where it's going to begin. And then the second parameter is where it ends. So it would be state dot length. And it'll be the length because it doesn't include that last index value. And that's all for this one. Thank you so much.